Yo, 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 yo. What's up, guys? Let's see what we can get in this Asian session. Let me share my screen. Um, let's see what we can get. It's already dropping. Um, I'm gonna look to target probably about 900. If we can get down, if we can get down here, if we can get here, then I would look to target 900. That's where I would look to target, would be 900 for sure. Stop losses would probably be, what is that, about 102? Stop loss would probably be about here. So that's would be my targets here in this Asian session. Gonna be a quick 1-to-1 if we can get it, and then that's gonna be it. A 1-to-1, and that would be it. Targets would be 20, would be right here. 28,900. That's gonna be my targets, 28,900. 28,900 is going to be my target with just a simple 1-to-1. That's basically what this is. All right. I'll go for those 1-to-1s in the Asian session. I go to 1-to-1s in the New York session too, but a lot of times we get a lot more than that. But in Asian, that's all I'm targeting is a 1-to-1 and see if we can get it. And if we can get it, great. Right. So yeah. So let's see if we can get past this POC that was in the cash session. But we should be able to get this and then and trade right down to 900. That's what I'm looking at. That is what I would like to see right now. If price starts to come back up to the upside, then I'm gonna want to see something probably from up here to here. But I wouldn't even take that trade because it's not enough. It's not enough ticks. So right now we're just gonna go for this simple 1-to-1, and we'll look for some volume to come in on the tape. See if the volume just can come in and these sellers can maintain this selling pressure that they've been having. So let's see who's gonna win this tug of war between the buyers and the sellers. But either way, I'm selling below 925. So 925 is gonna be boom, we just got triggered in. We just got triggered in. We just got triggered in. All right, boom. So we're up 18. We're up 12. We're heading for this target right here. Stop's already in profit. Um, you're probably gonna have to really just kind of just let this one. You're probably just gonna have to let this one ride because if not, then it's gonna just take me out. So I'm gonna. Well, we're getting some selling pressure, so that's good. We're up 38 ticks right now. This is the target that I'm headed for. So we're up 48. So I'm gonna have normally I keep this right here at break even. So if price pulls back, I don't lose anything. But I really want to hit this target here. So I'm gonna have to give this trade a little room to breathe, and I'm just gonna run the risk. Right? I don't think we're gonna fall. I don't think we're gonna push all the way back up here and then continue to trade upwards. I think we're going to drop down right into this area right here and we're going to get the move. But it's been so many times when price is just taking me out because I don't give the trade enough room to breathe. And I really want this trade to be able to breathe. Um, and I really want to see this. I'd like to see this area hit. Now, if I get close to it, I'm happy. I don't have to get right at that 94 ticks. I don't. Where would my next target be beyond that? If we get below here, um, yeah, I don't really see anything, but I think that, give me 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. Gosh, we really could start trading down. down into this area here. What is that? 894. Give me 1 second. 895, 894. Wow, I really don't really see any real targets that we could really shoot for. This is going to be probably about your best target for right now. That's going to be about your best target for right now, right? So we're up 35 ticks right now. We're headed down to targets, which is 900. Those were my original targets. But that could change because if we blow through that, then there's no telling where we could go. So let's just keep our targets right here. We hit this, then we know we hit targets, but we could easily break lower than that. Easily break lower than that. Um, yeah, we could. We very well could. But we're in profit pretty good right now. So let's see if we can just keep rotating to the downside, right? We want to rotate to the downside. And we're gonna keep our eye on this level right here. We're gonna keep our eye on this level, but I'm gonna give this trade room to breathe because it could pop back up and then drop off, and I don't want to get taken out. Like I don't want to do all this work for 50 ticks. Like it's cool, you can, but I want to at least get this target right here of 900, and that'll at least be it would at least give me right at 100 ticks, and I would be cool with it. Unless something drastically changes, then I'm going to be like, nah. So I'm just going to move this stop to about right here, and then now I'm just going to let this trade see if it can play out, right? Because that's not a lot. It's only like 59 ticks. It's not a big loss at all. A 1-to-1 would be here, which would be at 105. We're sitting at like 59. So I just want to see a nice drop into this area, a nice drop into this area, right? If we get a nice drop into this area, then, I may just close it out just because it's just willy-nilly and taking forever, right? And I'm not going to be here. I don't want to just sit. The agent session can have you just sitting, man. You could just end up sitting for a minute. But I'd like to see this. I really would like to see that. I really would like to see that. So let's see how long do we got on it? We got 15 seconds left on this candle. 12 seconds left, 11 seconds, 10 on this candle right here. So let's say we got 7 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, there's your next candle. Price is just crazy right now. Price is literally insane right now. It's literally insane. Literally insane. We got about 30 seconds left on this candle. 27 seconds left on the candle. You got to really, really believe in your trade when you sit here and hold these things like that. You really got to believe in them because if you don't, you're going to get FOMO and you'll just close. So, yeah, it's still not giving me the push that I want. Not yet. Let me see if I can get to here we are on the tape. Here we are on the tape. So I want to get down into this level. If I don't feel like we're going to get it, then I'll just close it and just let that be that. But I really want to see if we can trade down into 900. I will take profits at 900. unless we just get a bunch of heavy volume that just comes in crazy. And then I will say, okay, I'll get out from 900 and look for some lower targets. But yeah, right now I'm liking 900. I'm liking 900. 900, 900 is sitting right here. 900 is sitting right here. That is my target, 900. And if we start taking too long and we're just not getting there, then, I may just close out, you know? But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. It's 94 ticks to 28 900. Now we're getting the volume that we want. Now we're getting the volume that we want. 28 900 is what we want to see. We're getting a little bit, but then it'll die off. We just want to see 28 900, 28 900, 28 900. There it is. 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 Targets met. Boom, 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 boom. Great trade, great trade, great trade, great trade. You had to wait on it, but it was a great trade. So the Asian session can be tricky, man, because it really, really it pulled up to this value area high, right? And then it looked like it was going to rotate higher, and then it just did not. And it did that a few times, like one time, two times, three times, and then it just tanked off. It just dropped off, right? And it came right to our targets. You can see how accurate it is, right to 900, exactly to the tick, and then bounced. Now, you cannot get a better take profit than that. The only way I was able to get that take profit like that is because I trade with the map, the book map, right? Which shows me the live orders coming in on the tape. It's the cheat code. So that and then the volume profile. So yeah, another Asian session in the books. And we gotta win. A nice little 1-to-1. But yeah, we gotta win. So all right. I will see you guys in the morning. All right, y'all. Holla at you later. Peace.